Today we are going to install the TOTO flapper. The first step is to shut off the water valve to your toilet, then flush and hold the lever down to drain the water from your tank. Now remove the old flapper, locate the model of your TOTO toilet. It is usually stamped on the inside back wall of your toilet tank, or you may have a label on the underside of your tank lid. Find your corresponding toilet model in the chart on the back of the package and identify your setting. If you have an asterisk next to the arrow setting number, insert the white flapper plug on the hole on the underside of the flapper. If there is no asterisk, you can throw this piece away. Next, identify the chain link from the chart and count the chain links starting with the one closest to the flapper. Next, move the hook to that link. Install a flapper by placing the flapper ears on the pegs. Then identify the lever hole position from the chart. Begin counting from the left and closest to the handle. Attach the hook to the flush lever. Next, cut excess chain if needed. Turn the water supply line back on. Congratulations! You've successfully installed your new TOTO replacement flapper. If your toilet is not on the chart or you couldn't find your model, watch how your old flapper is set up and take a quick video of it. Then, use the video as a guide to install your new flapper the same way.